Hi Becky, and another week. Still waiting for spring to come, warm up weather. Programme for next week is 2 lots of 15, and each group, there's 4 groups in total, but 2 lots of 15, you can always do 3 lots, or 2 lots of 15 and a 10, whatever you've got time for really, and also how tired you get. Right, so the first group of exercise is mainly working the legs, and we're going to do dynamic side squat. I've got it onto a stability cushion, but you can ignore that, with a right front raise. So, grabbing your one of your weights, front raise, isn't it? So all you're going to do is you're going to go squat out to the side and do that straight arm out and out, so it goes. Okay, nice deep squat in there. Arm up to shoulder height, okay, and then back down, keeping your arm straight. Slight flex in the elbow, but more or less straight. You want work to come from the shoulder. Left side, exactly the same thing then. 15 of these. Okay, when you do squats, make sure your feet are pointing forward, so that when you go down, it's going straight down in a straight line with your knees down to your toes. Right, and then you're going to go onto the floor and do a right leg to thigh extension. So you want to sit like that. So this is what you're going to do. So get your knee in, try and get your back straight, back out as wide as you can go, and then back, and keep your foot off the ground. Or you can do it this way, just keep the other knee bent, or you can do it that way as well. If you do it that way, you just want to make sure your knee stays in and doesn't go out. So you're going to do right side, and then just do the same thing on the left side. Okay. What you can do with the other option is to tie a knot in your band. I think it's a little bit difficult to do it, both of them together, but let's just try it. I'm going to do it this way. Do it that way, and just take it out so that you've got a bit of the band resisting against the band, so it makes it a little bit harder. So you just tie a knot in it like that. So 2 lots of 15s, going back to your side squat, and then those leg to thigh extensions. Then staying on the ground for the next couple here. I've got press ups. Okay, press ups, pec fly. You could just lie down with this, and arms above the chest. Try not to bring it over the head, you want to keep it over the chest. Okay, and bend your knees, or you can straighten the knees, it doesn't matter. You're going to take those out as far as you can without quite getting to the floor, and then back up. Okay, if you find it quite hard, you can just do it single arm one. Do 16, so it's 8 each side, but ideally you want to do both sides. So you want the work to come from here, so you're squeezing that together as opposed to your arms doing the work. Deadlift to upright row. So you grab your kettlebell. Just lift this up a bit. There we go. So deadlift, straight legs, slight flex in the knees, not much, hip distance apart, down to the ground, stick your bum out as you go down, come back up, then once you're up to your upright row, back down with your upright row, back down to the ground. It's like a 2, 3, and so on. And then the fourth exercise in this group, reverse fly. grab your threes again, and you're going to bend down, stick your bottom out so it's up in the air a little bit, so you've got a nice straight back. I'm just going to do that. Okay, so again, straight arms, works coming from the upper back between your shoulder blades. When you think about squeezing your shoulder blades to bring that weight up. Again, if it's a little bit too much, single arm. Okay. Next little group. Back on the floor again. Got sit-ups, chest press. We've done a lot of chest and back here. So the last group and this group. So we've got sit-ups with a chest press. You can either use 1, 3 or use 2. 2 is obviously harder. So you then come up, elbows out as you go up. So it's a little bit of an arc as you go up. If you're finding that quite hard, use 1. Just take your elbows out and just reach up. Okay. Just trying to give a little bit of work on the chest as well as your tummy muscle. Reverse thrust. Feet up and down. Okay. Down and up. And then squat with a figure of 8. So going back standing. So you use your kettlebell. And make sure you don't drop this when you're doing this exercise. So you're going to squat down, keep your chest up. You're going to swing that round your legs, back up, and again. Alright, so you go down, swing it behind, round, and back up. So when you do it first set, you do it that way. When you do the second set, what you can do is to go round the other way. Okay, so it's your left hand then leading, taking it behind your right leg. Okay. And then back raises. Okay, 15 of those. Kneeling next little group, kneeling Superman. My hair's getting fed up with my hair, but I've got the hairdressers next week, so that's good. Right, kneeling Superman. So arm to opposite leg, going out. Try and stretch it out as far as you can. Good one for the back. Side to side crunches. So side to side, back down, side to side, back down, and reverse crunches. Feet in and out, parallel to the ground this time. And the last one in the group, full crunches. So a lot of tummy work here, squeezing everything together, keep chin up. All of those tummy muscles. And that completes the session. So good luck with that one. Hope you have a good week and see you soon. Bye.